1997 Pontiac Firebird here at Unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 30,000 on this one is all. Let's go ahead and take a look at this nose cone. Of course, LT1 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, and this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. See the underside, interior, engine bay, riding on the correct polished wheels. There is some touch-up little spot right here, as you can see. I did notice on the door, so there's a few small touch-up spots on this. The silver exterior, charcoal gray interior. Let's go ahead and take a look down the rest of this passenger side. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look underneath the hood. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. So Firebird formula, dual exhaust in the rear. Take a look at the underside. Very clean car. It does not look like it's been driven in much for inclement weather at all. And again, engine bay, interior, UniqueClassicCars.com. Another thing to remember is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one, maybe due to time or distance. Want somebody to take a look at it for you? Not a problem. Try to represent these as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken online, the walk-around video like this. And of course, you're kind of going to get an idea what it's like to go down the road in this car with the driving video at the end also. A couple touch-up spots there. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Get in it and drive it, have some fun. Pull that key so you don't have to listen to the door chime. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Take a look at the door panel. Nice shape. You'll be able to see the RPO codes. You'll know exactly how this car was equipped from Pontiac back in 1997. That will be in the still pictures also. Take a look at the seat. A little bit of wear in the bolster, but nothing too bad. Just kind of your natural wearing height with the leather seats. Of course, buckets up front, center console, all the steering wheel controls for a stereo system. Tilt and cruise on the column. AM FM cassette player in the 1997 model. Let's fire this up. All right, let's take a look at the exact miles, 30,474. Here's the gauges are all working. Top of the dash, nice shape. Play around with the stereo a little bit. So stereo system. Power's up. Let's try. The volume button works. We'll try the seat over here on the other side. Steering wheel controls working. Yep. Change from AM, FM over here. Here's the steering wheel controls are working. How about mute? Mute also works. Look on that AC a second. You can see built-in equalizer here also. All right. Headliner good shape. Slip around to the back. Sounds as you'd expect. LT1 V8. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. First of all, let's get this hood popped. May be able to get this one one-handed. Let's See if I can do this easy enough or if I need to pause it a second. Easy one. All right, hood liner. That. There it is. Running smooth. Sounds good, looks good under the hood. I believe Jason may flip the headlights in the driving video too, but let's check it out. There we go. Headlights working order. Let's go back down with them. You have the little click over in the passenger side, but they are in working order. 1997 Pontiac Firebird formula, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at that, what was it, 30,474, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. You can do that at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1997 Pontiac Firebird in a silver paint job with a charcoal interior. This is an automatic on the center console. All our gauges are working well. There's a security light on the dash, but this car has been serviced and is ready for sale. Our oil pressure is about 50 to 60 psi. Battery charging at 14, and fuel gauge is almost full. Temperature gauge about 170. This car's odometer says 30,472 miles currently, and it does feel like a very low mile car. It looks basically like new on the inside and handles like new. Factory radio intact and working. The air conditioning is on. It seems to be blowing slightly cooler than ambient temp. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Very comfortable leather bucket seats. I've always found the Pontiac seats to be very comfortable. Great for long drives, personally. Corners, well, does not lean much in the corners. Acceleration is very good, as you would expect. Cruise control is working well. Brakes also work very well. The beginning of the style of this Firebird, right around the mid-90s. Very good looking car. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about this Firebird at uniqueclassiccars.com.